working with fixed with files. Let's start from opening the file. Now we need to set that the format is fixed. And we also need to set a number of fields, which is in our case is 12. Now what we can do, we can tweak the format by moving the mouse like this. Or we can go to definition, rename fields here, and even set width, just 5. If you are working with very wide fixed width file with a lot of fields, this can be very time consuming, and also it is very easy to make a mistake. So there is alternative approach. All you need to do is to copy the file format into Excel file, edit it and paste it back. So step number 1, we need to select all. Step number 2, click copy. Now go to Excel, click paste. Now I have created a file which holds the definition. Just copy it. It holds field names. And we can also copy field width. And the next step is to copy definition from Excel. Just click copy, go back to Advanced ETL Processor, and click paste. Okay, and if you click now on Show Data tab, you see that everything is now nicely formatted. Okay, thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, please go to our support forum and ask, and we will do our best to help you. Please like and subscribe.